In the enchanting realms of ethnobiology, scholars embark on a captivating journey through the mystical interplay between human cultures and the natural world. Like ethnobiological sorcerers, researchers unravel the spells woven into the intricate relationships between communities and their environments, delving into the enchanted territories of traditional knowledge, biodiversity, and the spiritual dimensions of plants and animals. The study of ethnobiology becomes a mystical exploration, where the threads of indigenous wisdom, ecological practices, and the sacred connections between humans and nature converge in a narrative that spans the realms of the tangible and the transcendental. Indigenous wisdom conjuring. Indigenous wisdom becomes a conjuring process in ethnobiology. Scholars explore the magical reservoirs of traditional knowledge held by indigenous communities, unraveling the spells that guide their understanding of plants, animals, and ecosystems. Biodiversity alchemy. Biodiversity becomes a form of alchemy in ethnobiology. Researchers investigate the magical transformations that occur within ecosystems and the intricate relationships between diverse species, unraveling the spells that shape the rich tapestry of life. Plant and animal spirit sorcery. Plant and animal spirits become a sorcery in ethnobiology. Practitioners explore the magical dimensions of cultural beliefs and spiritual connections to the flora and fauna, unraveling the spells that influence how communities perceive, interact with, and protect the natural world. Ethnobotanical chronicles. Ethnobotany becomes chronicles in the enchantment of ethnobiology. Researchers explore the magical narratives of plant uses, from medicinal remedies to ritualistic applications, unraveling the spells that connect humans to the healing properties and symbolic meanings of plants. Ecological rituals conjuring. Ecological rituals become conjurings in ethnobiology. Practitioners investigate the magical aspects of ceremonies and practices related to nature, unraveling the spells that infuse cultural meaning into ecological interactions and events. Sacred landscape wisdom. Sacred landscapes become a form of wisdom in ethnobiology. Researchers explore the magical significance of natural spaces and the spiritual connections between people and their environments, unraveling the spells that designate certain areas as sacred and imbued with cultural meaning. Traditional agriculture sorcery. Traditional agriculture becomes a sorcery in ethnobiology. Practitioners explore the magical dimensions of agricultural practices shaped by indigenous knowledge, unraveling the spells that guide sustainable farming methods and foster biodiversity. Medicinal plant enchantment. Medicinal plants become a source of enchantment in ethnobiology. Scholars delve into the magical healing properties attributed to plants, unraveling the spells that connect human health and well-being to the botanical realm. Animal symbolism spells. Animal symbolism becomes spells in ethnobiology. Researchers explore the magical symbols and representations associated with animals, unraveling the spells that convey cultural meanings and connections to the animal kingdom. Eco-spiritual chronicles. Eco-spirituality becomes chronicles in the enchantment of ethnobiology. Practitioners explore the magical narratives that intertwine cultural beliefs, ecological practices, and the spiritual dimensions of nature, unraveling the spells that guide communities in their harmonious coexistence with the natural world. In the captivating realm of ethnobiology, the study of human-environment relationships becomes a mystical journey through the enchanted forces that shape the intersection of culture and ecology. Ethnobiological sorcerers, as researchers are metaphorically described in this context, weave together the threads of indigenous wisdom, biodiversity, and the sacred connections between humans and nature into a narrative that captures the enchanted essence of the evolving relationship between communities and the natural world.